campers, it is Savannah with Cookeville RV and Marine, and today we're going to take an inside and outside look at this 2024 Keystone Cougar 23MLE. But before we get started, make sure you like this video, subscribe to our channel, click that bell notification so you're notified when we post a new video, and head on over to our Google reviews, leave us a review, mention Savannah, say she's amazing, she's awesome, she does the best videos, and I'll be super happy and thankful. And before we get started into this video, just wanted to let y'all know, I know y'all already know this, but in this economy, you want to buy from somebody you trust. And here at Cookeville RV and Marine, we're not like those corporate guys. We're a family-owned and operated business, and we want to treat you like family. So if you're interested in this or any of our other inventory you see on our page, make sure you give us a call or text or visit us online. But anyway, let's get started and check out this Cougar. On the entertainment side of this beauty, we do have a nice large awning. It does extend over our entryway. So if you do have some bad weather, you're not gonna get wet or anything if you're going in or out of the camper. We also have indoor-outdoor speaker system. So if you're out here hanging out, you wanna listen to some music, you can play it inside and outside. And this actually has something really cool. It has an outdoor kitchen. So let's walk down here and check it out. Before we take a look at this, I forgot to mention, we do have an LED strip out here as well. So it is kind of a gorgeous sunny day in Cookeville, but I can still see that strip. It's very nice and bright. So if it is a little dark or overcast, you're gonna be able to see it very easily out here. Now let's check out our outdoor kitchen. This easily snaps up there. It is magnetic, and you can see we do have a griddle out here, so you can make some hamburgers, some hot dogs. If you want to throw some s'mores on here, you can kind of do anything you want. We also have a mini fridge, so you can put all of your beverages outside. Now let's check out the storage. In the front of your Cougar, you do have your pass-through storage. You can see this is a massive storage space, and we do have an easy to clean floor down here. You can easily wipe this out, and it is a gripped surface, so things aren't going to be rolling around while you're going down the road. We also have an LED strip on my side, and over on your side we do have two push lights, so you'll be able to see when it's dark. You also have your leveling system, and on the other side you have your convenience bay with all the hookups you're going to need while you're at the campground. Now let's move inside. Listen guys, I was outside showing y'all the storage, and I didn't see that there was a puddle of water out there, and I got it on my pants. Mistakes happen. The show must go on. No, I did not pee my pants. I sat in a puddle. It happens. Anyway, when you first walk into your Cougar, over on our right hand side, we do have our in-command touchscreen control panel. This is where you're going to control all your lights, your awnings, your slides. You even got your HVAC over here. Everything is labeled. It's super easy to use, very user-friendly. Anybody can do it. You also do have this nice bar getting up into the bedroom, so anybody with mobility issues, they're not going to have any trouble getting upstairs. Now, check out the rest of this camper. Across from your entryway, we do have our little hutch area. We have some storage up here, and I like how this panel is kind of see-through, so you can see what you do have in your cabinets. You have lots of storage, and we have this nice open spot right here. This is a great kind of catch-all area if you want to throw your phone, some keys, different stuff in there, so you can easily grab it and head out the door. You do have that. Down below, we do have some countertop space, and you have an electrical outlet and a USB and a USB-C port. So if you want to add maybe a coffee maker right here, or kind of make it a charging station for iPads, laptops, all that, you have plenty of power over here. Down below that, we have even more storage for all your extra items, and we even have a pantry space over here. So right beside of that, this opens up. You can see this is a massive pantry space. You have lots of shelves in there, so you're gonna be able to put your cereal, your dog food, kid food, anything you have, you're gonna have lots of space for it. Now, check out our slide. In our living room side, we do have our theater seats. This actually is 3 across seating if you want it, but this actually does come down. And you do have 2 cup holders right here, a couple of switches. You even have 2 USB ports right here, and this actually goes up in the middle, gives you 2 more USB ports, and you have some electrical outlets as well, so you're gonna be able to plug in anything you want from your couch area. This is a great place to sit and watch a movie or enjoy a nice cup of coffee, because you do have some windows behind you, so you get all of those gorgeous campground views. We also do have a dimmer switch over there, so if you are watching a movie, you want the lights down a little bit, you can easily dim those lights. Right behind me, we have our Furrion fridge. This does change from unit to unit, but this one is a Furrion. You open it up and you have lots of space for all your groceries, and you have a very nice size freezer as well for all your ice cream and other items. Now, let's move over here and check out our kitchen. This Cougar has an amazing kitchen. Over here we do have some storage right above our oven and our stove. This is a very nice amount of storage, and you can see that that backsplash extends up into there, so that's really nice and pretty. Down below that, we do have our 3-burner stovetop with a splash guard, and you also have your oven. This is a very nice size oven, and you also have a little bit more storage below that. Over here, we have more overhead storage for all your glasses, pots, pans, anything you want. And down below that, we do have our sink with a retractable sink nozzle, and they've given you a drying rack. Underneath our sink, we have a very large storage space. This is perfect to throw your trash can in, cleaning supplies, anything you want in this kitchen area. Over behind me, we have lots of countertop space, and you do have an electrical outlet up here, as well as a charging port over here with a USB and a USB-C USB-C port. So if you do want to plug in an air fryer, different items over here in the corner, you have lots of countertop space and the electrical outlet to do that. We have our microwave up here, some more storage in this corner. And over here, we do have 4 drawers, plenty of space to put all your different things. If you want to put some utensils in there, some silverware, you have plenty of space for that in your drawers. Moving on over here, we have our entertainment space with our dinette. This is a very comfy dinette. You can easily eat a nice meal with your family, and you do have a window so you can see out at the campground. This table actually does go down into a sleeping space, and these cushions move out so you can set them down here. So if you have some extra guests at the campground and they need a place to sleep, this is the perfect space for that. Up above, we have our gorgeous TV. You also do have some electrical outlets and another charging station right here. We have some storage on both sides. That one over there is pure storage. This one on this side, we have some upper storage. And then right here is where you're going to control that indoor-outdoor speaker system. So this is kind of your entertainment space with your TV, your music, everything you need in one little space. Now, let's check out the front of this Cougar. Forget about them campground bathrooms, because in your hallway, you have a very nice bathroom to yourself. Right here, we have a mirror front medicine cabinet. This does open up, and you have lots of space in there for all your toiletries. Down below, we have our sink with a good amount of countertop space around it. You even do have an electrical outlet for your electric shaver or your straightening iron. Down below, we have 3 drawers for extra storage, and you have a little bit more storage underneath that sink. Great to stack up your toilet paper or throw a small little trash can. On the other side, we do have our step to flush toilet. Above that, you have a hanging rack for your towel, and you have some extra storage back here as well. So if you want to stack up some towels, maybe put some baskets in there with toiletries, you do have that space. But the best part is right behind me, which is our shower. This is a very nice size shower, lots of head height. You even do have a skylight in there, so you have that natural lighting. On the left hand side, we do have a detachable shower head. You also have some built-in shelves for all your soap, and on the other side you do have a seat in here as well. I like to use that as storage, but if you do need a seat in the shower, you got it. Now let's check out the bedroom. In the very front of your Cougar, we do have a gorgeous bedroom. We have a queen size bed in here, and you have tons of storage. We have some overhead storage for your bags, clothes, other items, and you have storage on both sides. You also do have bedside tables with electrical outlets and USB and USB-C port. So if you need to plug in your CPAP machine, or if you want to plug in your phone, your iPad, anything you need right when you're going to bed, you do have that. And we even do have a closet space. Over on the other side, we do have this open space, perfect to put your jewelry in, or maybe some nice picture frames. You have 3 drawers to fold up all your socks and underwear, and we have a mirror front closet right here that opens up. You have a nice hanging rack in there, so you can hang up all of your clothes and other items in here. So if you like this Cougar or any other in our Keystone line, make sure you give us a call or a text, or visit us online at cookeville.com, where your adventure awaits.